In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review on Speechello. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. What is Speechello? Speechello is a cloud-based tool that converts any text you input into spoken audio. It's designed to sound as natural as possible, avoiding the typical robotic tone. Key strengths. First off, it's incredibly easy to use. The interface is simple and you can generate voiceovers in just few clicks, no technical skills required. They offer a good variety of voices in multiple languages and accents, both male and female. This gives you plenty of options for different projects. The focus is on natural sounding voices, and they do a pretty good job. You can adjust the tone, pacing, and even add breathing and pauses to make it more sound realistic. And of course, the price. It's much more affordable than hiring professional voiceover artists, especially if you need voiceovers regularly. User experience. The user experience is smooth and straightforward. Being cloud based, you don't have to download any software, which is a plus. Conclusion. Overall, Speechello is a very useful tool for anyone who needs quick and affordable voiceovers. It's great for video creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to add audio to their content on a budget. While it might not replace professional voiceovers for every project, it's a solid and accessible alternative. If you need voiceovers quickly and easily, Speechello is definitely worth checking out.